okay, okay. Yeah.
I'm back, bitches. Happy fiscal new year and welcome back to Jazzy Lulu TV. I'm so excited because today is Fashion Friday. We have my anniversary gift. So I'm so excited because they got me 2 gifts. He's the best gift and Bella's the best gift they ever got me. But he got me something in this box. I'm so excited. Let's get right into it. Ooh, okay. It says, thank you for choosing us. Oh, look how cute it is. It has a little bell. How cute is this? So, there's a J. If you don't know, my name is Jasmine. There's a card, so let's just get into the card. It says, for the love and joy you bring. Thank you. I love it. I love cards. Love the bell. And the sexy red ribbon. I should wear this, right? That'd be hot if I like, or I could wear the string. That's for a different show. It is packaged super nice. Yes, I'm one of those that like loves the wrapping paper to like stay nice, so I appreciate the wrapping that went into this gift. And of course, I love the silver color. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Casablanca. So excited. If you don't know what Casablanca is, it's a luxury fashion brand. So it says Casablanca, looking at the beauty of the world. I love that message. And we definitely should do that. Look at the beauty of the world. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, I'm so excited. It's in a dust bag, so I can only imagine. It has to be. Oh my gosh. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's a bag. Okay, well, this is packaged super nice. Let me take the rubber band off the handles. Oh, I didn't mention this came all the way from Milan.
OMG, like how cute are these bamboo handles?
Ooh, love it, love it. Look how cute this is. It's my first Casablanca bag, and it comes with this strap, or this strap is removable and adjustable. But for now, I'm just gonna push it inside.
She is that girl.
And this is from the Casablanca Tennis Club collection. So I'm so happy about that. It's so soft. Oh, nice. Love it. Isn't this everything? Thank you so much. I love my man. He's the best ever. And I love my new bag. It's like super cute, the perfect size, because y'all know me. If you haven't watched, go to the playlist, watch other Fashion Friday videos. I love small bags, so this bag is super beautiful. I love the fact that it's made out of this like canvas style linen, and it has this leather embroidery around and a leather bottom. I love the brown and the pink, of course, Barbie on vacation vibes. Love it. And of course, it just goes inside this ultra cute dust bag. So it's just easy for travel. But I just want to say Thank you for watching and Happy New Year. And thank you so much to my babe